guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my mother-in-law's recipe for curried mushrooms. Now she saw, because she watches the channel very diligently, and she saw you guys asking me for a lot of Lent and vegetarian recipes, and she told me I had to share this one. So today I'm sharing her recipe for curried mushrooms. So I hope you guys enjoy, and leave me your comments down below. So to start this recipe, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pot on a medium heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to go in with some aromatics. I'm going to allow these aromatics to toast and get a nice light brown color. Now I'm going to go in with some sliced onions, hot peppers, pimento peppers, curry leaves, and some chopped scallions. And I'm going to allow this to saute until it turns a light brown color. Once it has this nice brown color, we're going to go in now with our curry spice blend. Now she likes using a duck and goat curry, a mild curry, some geera, and some amchar masala. That goes in, and we're going to toast it until it feels grainy, so like for about a minute. Now that it feels grainy, we're going to go in with some water to help cook the curry, and we're going to cook it until the curry turns into a thick paste. So once your curry has fried up in there and the oils are starting to separate from the curry, we're going to go in with some green seasoning. Now I'm not seasoning any of the ingredients ahead of time. We're putting all of the seasonings into this pot, and then when it cooks, it's going to be absorbed into our ingredients. So I'm just gonna let this fry up in here for a little bit. And this by itself already smells so good. That duck and goat curry gives it such a great flavor and a great taste. So now I'm going to go in with some baigan. This is my mother-in-law's secret part of this recipe. It gives you a really nice thick sauce for the mushrooms and for your rice to hold on to. Now, she likes leaving it with the skin. I personally don't like the skin on my baigan or melangen, but if you wanted to omit the skin, of course you can. So to this, I'm just going to go in and season with a little bit of salt to taste. Mix that in. You want to allow the melangen to fry up in here, or the eggplant to fry up in here for about a minute, and then we're going to go in now with some water. Now I'm not adding in my mushrooms just yet because I want the baigan to start to soften first before we go in with the mushrooms. I'm following her recipe exactly as she told me. So we're gonna let this come up to a simmer and let that baigan soften. So guys, the baigan has melted down really nicely. Now if you didn't put the baigan skin, of course you're not going to see those purple blackish specks. Now once it's like this and it's nice and melted down, we're going to go ahead and add in our mushrooms. And today I'm using baby portobello mushrooms because that's what she likes to use. But if you cannot find that, you can use the button mushrooms. Just gonna give this a mix. And now I'm gonna season this again with some additional seasoning, my favorite seasoning, which is this Goya adobo or pepper seasoning. And I'm gonna grate some garlic, which I should have put when I put in the seasonings to fry up into the pot. So if you guys are making this, you can put the garlic at that point. Okay, so now all we have to do is mix this in and allow this to cook until the mushrooms are nice and tender. So guys, I know there's a lot of steam coming up from the pot, but this is finished. The mushrooms are nice and tender, and I made it saucy because we're gonna have this over rice. This goes great with jasmine rice, this, and a little bit of kuchela on the side. Just amazing. So let me just dish this out. Make sure and taste it and adjust your salt. And I'm gonna dish it out and show you guys. Look how nice and creamy. Now if you taste this, I promise you it's gonna taste like if you're eating curried conchs. That is what it smells like. That is what it's gonna taste like. It's absolutely amazing. She did say if you wanted to put a potato in here, you can. Sometimes she puts it, sometimes she doesn't. The potato would do is help that sauce to thicken up so it's not like watery or runny, but you want a really nice sumptuous sauce to eat your rice with. So guys, to finish this, I'm just sprinkling on some freshly chopped parsley. And that's it, our curried mushrooms. Well, my mother-in-law's version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it this Lent and fasting season. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. She's going to read all of your comments because she reads all of my comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like and subscribe. Please remember to share the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.